Hi everyone, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Christian.
And this video will be the day one extension video for the mechanical curtains on your Shadowbox theater. So first, let's go over the materials that we need to complete the extension and do the mechanical curtains. You should have your box that already has the curtains set up using the strings we used earlier. You should have the pipe cleaners securing the curtains, and they should be able to slide on the string like this. You also need 1 or 2 binder clips that we have here, and you'll need a long piece of fishing line.
Yeah, so it's going to be the longest one that you are going to have in the box. And about the binder clips, remember that you have to obtain them, because although you are going to have some in the box, we are going to use them later for another activity that we're going to do in the later days.
Right, so if you have some other binder clips or paper clips, you can use that. If you don't have any extras, that's fine. You can use masking tape for that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use a modification of the curtains we already set up earlier to make mechanical curtains that you can slide on your own so they automatically open and close. Because with these ones, when we wanna open and close, we undo the pipe cleaners and then we slide it on the line. But we're gonna make an automated way to automatically close them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our long piece of fishing line and we're gonna make a figure 8 through these 3 holes at the top of the box.
All right.
So we're gonna start by taking one end of the fishing pole and we're gonna go out from the middle. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go out from the middle, starting from the back, and go towards the front.
Yeah.
And we're gonna pull it almost all the way through, and hang on to the end because you don't want to lose it. But we're gonna pull it almost all the way, leave maybe 5 or 10 centimeters left on the back. We're gonna pull it almost all the way. Then we're gonna take this side and we're gonna put it through the middle hole, or the hole we made on the curtains closest to the middle. So the one on this side here, and we're gonna put it through here, and we're gonna pull it all the way through again, but don't lose the back side just yet. Okay? Then we're gonna loop it through again and we're gonna tie a knot. We're gonna loop it all the way through and then tie a simple knot. So it goes around the curtains. So now it's tight right here on the curtains. Next, we're gonna take the loose end and we're gonna go in through the hole on the right side, back to where we started. And we're gonna pull this tight, make sure you don't lose the other side. Then, in a similar way, we're gonna go back through the middle. Mm-hmm. So we're completing the first circle and we're making a figure 8. Pull that all the way through, don't lose the other side. And then same thing on the middle side of this curtain, we're gonna go through the hole and tie a knot. Now that that side is secure, we're gonna go in through the hole on the left side.
Oh. More? Yeah, there you are.
And we're gonna go back to where we started. Now the figure 8 is complete, and if you pull, so we have the 2 loose ends here. If you pull on the left end, the curtains go out, and if you pull on the right end, the curtains go into the middle. Just like that. Okay, so as you can see, the curtains aren't perfect yet. When we go all the way out, this one only goes halfway, and when we go all the way in, this one only goes halfway. So we need to do a little bit of adjusting. You can see this one on my left is a little bit longer, and this one on my right is a little bit shorter. So we're gonna fix the one on the right to make them a little bit more even. So I'm gonna push this back out, and I'm gonna untie the knot here. And I'm gonna pull a little bit more through until this one's back at the middle. I'm gonna put them both in the middle and then tie the knot. So when they're all the way closed, I'm gonna secure the knot. So I'm gonna pull the slack really tight and secure the knot. And then we'll go back towards me through the hole. And there we go. So now the strings are a little bit more even, but let's try that out and see how it works now. Open and close. There we go. So that looks a lot better. So if you run into trouble like that, just adjust the length of the string. So now that we have it in a good spot, I'm going to open them all the way up, and we're going to use the binder clips to secure both strings to the box.
One way that you can also use this is like crossing the strings a little bit, and maybe it's going to help you to go easier to open and close the curtains. But it's up to you. How do you want to do that?
Yeah, there are lots of different ways to do this. You can also use plastic straws. There are lots of other materials you can use and lots of ways to do the same thing. So try out multiple ways, see what you like the best and what works for you. So we'll take the binder clip now, and we'll put both of the strings together on this edge of the box right here. And we will take the binder clip and secure the strings to the side of the box, just like that. So now the strings won't move and the curtains won't move until we take the binder clip off and start pulling.
Yeah.
So if you're confused, this is not easy to do, this is hard. So ask your parent, ask another friend, or maybe an older sibling to help you with this. You can also rewatch this video, maybe pause it and try to figure it out for yourself. And again, there are so many ways to do this. You don't have to follow it our way.
Yep. So if you want to use it for the presentation of the last day that we are going to be, you can use it as well, but it's up to you. You have many possibilities to do this, as Andrew said, so no worries about this.
All right, great. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.